Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Mike from the Pipe Doctor. My number is 516-348-6300. We are based in Valley Stream, New York, right along the border of Nassau County and Queens. We're about 15 minutes from JFK Airport, and we service commercial and residential plumbing, heating, and air conditioning systems. If you're in our service territory, whether you got no heat, you got a leak under the kitchen sink, whatever you got, we would love to um, be of assistance to you. Many people have asked on my Instagram and also in the comments and also direct messages us on YouTube and on Instagram. Where is the winners of the 500 subscriber giveaway that we promoted a couple weeks ago? I do apologize. We have been quite busy. Winter arrived very early in the New York City metropolitan area, and we've been quite busy restoring people's heat. But in any case, in this video right here, let's click on that. There it is. We promoted a giveaway, a 500 subscriber giveaway. And we are giving away a $50 Amazon gift card. We are giving away a 14-inch aluminum wrench and a $100 Pipe Doctor gift card, which equals 1 hour of labor. All right, so there is a mistake here. It says there are 2 awards, or actually are 3. So we are going to use the YouTube random comment generator here, right? And we're going to give away right now. So let's get this started. I'm going to copy this page right there and enter YouTube video URL. There we go. And let's get comments. Let's see what we have here. It's thinking. All right, start raffle and pick random winner. Works that way? I think so. Let's see. Marvin Alba Rivero. I enjoy your video. Marvin, congratulations. You are the first winner. And as such, you get to pick, you get the first pick of which one you'd like. So let me write this down. Marvin, you're number 1. You have number 1 choice. All right, let's go back here. Let's pick another winner. It can't be Marvin again, by the way, guys and girls. Oh my God, Marvin again. Nope, sorry. Let's try this again. Dark Matter. Congratulations on 500 subs. It's a huge milestone. Hope to see you guys grow in the future. Dark Matter. You have second choice. All right, and one more time. Let's start this up. Dark Matter again. No, let's try that again. One more time. Watch, this is going to be Marvin again. Killer Gamer 118. Hope I win. So number 3, the third winner is Killer Gamer 118. All right, guys. So there are our winners. Number 1, Marvin, he gets first pick. Number 2, Dark Matter, second pick. And number 3, third pick goes to Killer Gamer 118. You guys, comment in this section, direct message me, however, but I need your contact information and also let me know which gift you guys would like. Thank you so very much for watching. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. And you know what? This giveaway really wasn't didn't get the response that I'd like, and I think it's because I think I'm picking shitty gifts, shitty prizes. And you know what I'm gonna do? This is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do for our Thanksgiving giveaway. This is unique. We are going to give away a Toto Drake 2 two-piece toilet, comfort height elongated in white, with a Toto with a Toto soft close seat. And we're going to install it as long as you are in our service territory. And that's generally 5 to 7 miles around our office, which is zip code 11580. So, there you have it. And let's see who's going to win the next giveaway. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys are subscribed. Hit that notification bell and check us out on Instagram. And thank you very much for your time, and enjoy the rest of your weekend.